Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back again with the short hairstyle. Yes, I miss my short hairstyle. I had to give my hair some time because my hair was breaking really bad, and I created a hair growth oil, and this hair growth oil has really grown my hair. I just took out braids, so that's why like my edges is a big kind of thing. I just took out some braids, and now I decided to go back to my short pixie cut again. So I went ahead and I cut my hair after this video because I was just trying to see if I really want to do my hair again, like short hairstyle. But after I did this hair, I went to my barber and he just kind of evened around it for me. So that's what I did, and I'm in love. Like, I'm back again with the pixie cut, the short hairstyle. I am loving it. So right now I'm just taking the mousse and just slicking it down on my hair. I don't like to wet my hair before I put mousse inside because I feel like it takes forever to dry, and I don't like sitting on the dryer for too long. So that's why I decided just to take the mousse and put it in the hair and just stick it down. My hair wasn't perm, but the next video I'm coming with, my hair will be perm. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead right now and sit under the dryer, and let me tell you, I sat under this dryer for so long because I haven't done it in a long time. So I was just like, oh my god, I gotta get used to this again. So right now I'm just parting the front because I'm about to put extension at the front. So I'm just parting the front because I need the front to have a little bit of volume. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my sleek oil inside, and then I'm just gonna curl it out, like just curl the back and make it look nice, and then come back and show you guys how I put the extension at the front. Let's go. So after I finish curling the front, now I'm just gonna go in now and start putting the extension in front. I think I put about 3 tracks at the front, just to give it a little bit of volume. As you guys can see right now, my hair is a bit puffy, but trust me, I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna tie it down and make it look nice. So now I'm just taking my time and putting the extension at the front. So that's how it's looking. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm not cutting it in any particular, shape. I'm just like freestyling it. Like I'm just going in with my razor and I'm just gonna freestyle it, like, because I know what I want and I know, how to do it and stuff. So I'm just gonna go in and, just cut it the way how I want it to be cut. So now I'm just gonna go ahead now and curl it. Honestly speaking, I'm glad that I came back to my short hairstyle, because when I post this hairstyle on my Instagram and on my Snap, everybody was like, "We've been waiting for you." They were like, "Rita, this is your signature look. Like this is your signature look." So I'm so happy to be back. I love it. I went to my barber and, I cut all the hair from around it, so he shipped it up really nice for me. So now seeing it, I cannot wait to come back and show you guys the next video how it's looking. So this is how it looks like. I look like a grandma wig right now, but let me tell you, when I tie it down and like everything looks right. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to your girl channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.